How AI is changing jobs in Africa faster than we think. In Africa, millions of young people are looking for jobs. In Ethiopia alone, every year thousands graduate. But the number of jobs doesn't grow at the same speed. While we're waiting for opportunities, a new worker has already arrived.
Artificielle intelligence.
It doesn't speak Amharic. It doesn't ask for salary. It doesn't need an office. Yet it writes reports, designs posters, manages data, and helps companies work faster than ever. Banks use it. Telecoms use it. Startups use it. Even small businesses now compete with tools once owned by rich countries. Here's the truth: most people avoid AI will not remove Africa from the future, but it will remove those who refuse to adapt the advantage. Africa has a simple: we are young, we are mobile first. We learn fast, one laptop, one internet connection, and the same tools used in New York or London can be used in Addis Ababa. The question is no longer will technology come to Africa, it already has. The real question is, will you use it to rise or watch others use it instead? In every era, those who understand change early are the ones who fly higher, and the eagle always flies above the noise.